Okay guys, we just got off the elevator. We're headed to our room. It's room 622 and they give you a key code. You enter the key code and here we go. Let's check out our, I'm gonna say it's an apartment because it's pretty nice. So here's the dining area, which is great. I love this table. I think it's beautiful. It's got the traditional Hawaiian decor. There's 2 stools there for at the counter, so which is actually pretty perfect because there's 6 of us staying here. Well, not staying in here. We all have our own rooms, but there's 6 of us together, so it'll be nice if we all want to have breakfast or lunch together. So the people that own the place left us this, and it says, "Welcome to our home. Please enjoy this gift as you begin your holiday in beautiful Maui." And they left us a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon, which I think is so nice, and some chips. So that's cool. Let's check out what's in the kitchen here. All right, so nice kitchen sink. They leave you with some kitchen towel and some dish soap and a sponge and paper towels, hand soap. And underneath here, you know, just garbage bags. There's a fire extinguisher, which is nice. Hopefully we don't need that. And they left us some dishwashing tabs, which is great. Less things you have to buy here, you know. Check out the dishwashers, nice. That'll do the trick for sure. Most importantly, a coffee maker, because everybody knows Sarah runs on Dunkin', and I did bring Dunkin', so that's awesome. I did bring filters too, but it looks like this is one of those reusable filters, so that actually works out really well. And they left us some steak knives. Let's see what's in the drawer. There's all your silverware. They left you with scissors and can openers and bottle openers and pizza cutters, which is great. And under here's all your pots and pans, which is great. And you know, honestly, I don't plan on cooking a lot, but to help with costs, we will probably make breakfast here. So there's some pots and pans. Oh look, there's a flashlight. I missed that. Okay. And some hot pads. What's in here? Oh, a strainer and some plastic wrap and some foil. So that's cool. Some cutting boards. And then up here is all of your plates and your cups and your dishes and your wine glasses. So that's really neat that they outfit all of that for you. Salt and pepper shakers. There's a nice oven. It's very clean. Probably isn't used much because, like I said, who wants to cook on vacation? Nice microwave. What's up here? Oh, that's cool. You could make some Crystal Light if you wanted to. They left you with some vegetable oil spray. There's some barbecue utensils up there if you needed them. And some Tupperware and some measuring cups and spoons. And here's a bunch of utensils and a toaster. Oh my gosh, look at all the kitchen gadgets. Wow, even chip clips. That's great. Everything you could possibly need, honestly. And then here, it's some more mixing bowls, Tupperware containers, a teapot, which is great if you're a tea drinker. And then up here, look at this. There's a crock pot and a Ninja. So if you wanted to make smoothies, you could. And then here's the fridge, and the ice is already making, which is great because I love ice. And it looks like whoever was here before left us some fruit and tomatoes and some creamer. So that's great. Let's take a look around here. So this is the living room. There's Bob. Say hi, Bob.
Hey guys.
Look at the size of this TV. Oh my gosh, that's humongous. And it looks like there's a DVD player too, which is cool. I don't know how much time we're gonna spend in the room, but you know, it's nice if it's a rainy night or something. So they left you a book with everything to do around the island and just instructions on how to use the TV, things about the parking. So that's great. Really neat. We'll have to take a look at that. There's a desk there if you wanted to use it, but
Guest thoughts and wishes. You can write a journal.
Oh my gosh, aloha. We hope you have a wonderful stay here in your home away from home and on beautiful Maui. What does that say? Oh, the more you love and respect the island, the more love she will show you back. Warmest aloha. And everybody leaves a note that stays here. That's so cool. There's only one note in here, but that's awesome. We'll definitely have to do that. I love that. I miss that. So here's the living room. There's a nice recliner. I believe that's a pull-out couch. It's a sleeper bed. So that's cool. Let's take a look at, ooh, let's take a look at the balcony. So you've got 2 chairs there, a nice sized table. You have a lounger and another table over there. And let's check out the most important thing, which is the view. So there you go. Pretty awesome. And we'll go back in and finish the tour of the rest of, I'm gonna call it an apartment. I think it's like a townhome. But you got a closet here. Let's see what's in here. I'm not even sure. Oh, nice, a washer and dryer. That's great. I did bring some gain tabs and some, what do you call them, pods? Gain pods and some Downy dryer sheets, so that's cool. Then there's this humongous closet. I mean, humongous. They left you 2 beach towels, a dolly, I guess in case you have a ton of luggage, I'm not sure. A vacuum, which I don't plan on vacuuming because you do pay for a cleaning fee. But there's 2 beach chairs and beach mats and a safe. And if you wanted to do some ironing, there's an ironing board. And then look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this fabulous Q's Cruisers hoodie that's in the closet. Shameless plug, I know. Look at this. Isn't that great? New merch. Hashtag Qzies. All right, so let's continue on into the bathroom. So there's a nice shower. And your toilet and your vanity with lots of drawers. Let's see what they left us. Please use this for towels to remove makeup. Oh, please do not use. Okay. So they don't want you getting makeup all over their stuff. Oh, there's a hairdryer. That's good. And there's your garbage and some extra toilet paper, which is fantastic. They did leave us with some shampoo and conditioner. Oh, look at the makeup wipes they left. That's a nice touch. That's a really nice touch because those are actually the ones that I use. This I did try to open earlier and it did not open, so I'm not really sure what that is. So let's continue on into the bedroom. We have a king size bed, which is fabulous. Another flat screen TV, a set of dresser drawers, and 2 nightstands. What else do you need, right? Again, the view is spectacular. And let's just check out this one last thing. I think this is another closet. Yep, it is. So plenty of closet space, which is great. So that's it, guys. That is our room, or our home, for the next week.